Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Crypto Billionaire. Today in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can link your Trustwallet address of any coin to your FaucetPay account so you can claim some coins and withdraw them to your Trustwallet directly. So now if you are watching this video, make sure you like this video, because whenever you like this video it really helps us a lot. And also, if you are new to this channel, please like this video, subscribe, and also share this video to other reach and click on the notification bell. Now in order to do this, we go straight ahead to our FaucetPay, which is this. And now when you go to your FaucetPay, you click on link addresses. When you click on link addresses, now in this video we are going to be linking our Dogecoin. Now you go back to your Trustwallet, which is over here. And when you go to your Trustwallet, we'll be linking our Dogecoin. Now this is our Dogecoin over here. Now you click on Doge. Now all you have to do is to copy the address of this Doge just by clicking on this logo, which is over here. When you click on the logo, the address have been copied. As you can see here, it is already copied. Now you go back to your FaucetPay account. Now you're going to paste the address here. Now input the name of the coin, the label, we use it as Doge. Now you come over here and select Dogecoin by clicking it. Then you'll be seeing Doge over here. Now you click on Doge and click on link. Now as you can see, here, it says our address has been successfully linked. So this is how you can exactly link your Trustwallet address to your FaucetPay so you can withdraw your coins. So please guys, if you like this video, make sure you like the video, subscribe, and also click on the notification bell so whenever we upload new content, you are going to be notified on that. Thanks for watching.